Welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to declare a variable in Python. So the first thing I want to create my Python project. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So you can use any IDE that you have, but I feel more comfortable in using Visual Studio Code. So whatever code that I read here, you can also apply it to in PyCharm or any other code editor that you have. So the first thing, I come to my project browser and I click on this new file, and I'm going to name my file variable. So I'm going to name it variable dot py. That's the extension for Python. So the first thing is, what is a variable? So I'm going to write a comment and say variables are continue for storing data value. So this is what a variable is. So I can just come here, and when I come here, I put this. There's more than one variables. So variables are continue. Sorry. So we can put the in there. Are continue for storing data. So I can just come here like this to comment this. I select this. Make sure that this has been selected. So I can select this and press Control// and will create a pound sign. So this is a shortcut for commenting. So this is what a variable does. It store data, it store the value of a data. So like other programming language, let's take for example Java. To declare a variable Java, you have to use cons, const, cons. You have to use let and var in JavaScript. Yeah, so in JavaScript, you have to use const, let, or var. But in Python, you don't have to use const, let, and var. But I don't want to go to JavaScript. I'm just helping you to see that declaring variable in Python is more easier than other programming language. Python, you can use anything to become a variable. The JavaScript, you have to use const, let, and var. So we're going to do an example that will help us to see how we can be able to declare a variable. As we said, variable are continuous for storing data values. So anything can be a variable in Python. Let's take for example, I can come here and I can say X. So X in this case is the variable. Equal now becomes the assignment. So now, whatever I want to declare an integer or a number. So if I want to declare a number, like for example, I can say 800. So you see, 800 becomes the value. Now, how can I print out this? Remember, print is the most powerful function in Python. We're going to talk about different functions in Python, but we're going to look at the print function for now. So if I want to print this, I could just say print print, print, and put my bracket and also put my quote. Or no, I don't have to put quote here. So I could just say X. Now, if I save this, and run this, run Python file, you're going to see 800 as our output. So 800, see? So you're going to see 800 here. Now, let's take, for example, let's do another example. Now, let's say we declare a variable by the name of dollars. DOLAR. Dollar is equal to 900. Let's just say 900. Enter. Now, you want to declare this variable. So you want to print out 500, but at the same time, you want to say she has 900 in her USD account. Now, remember that dollars is the variable, the value of the variable. And the equal there is the assignment of the variable. The 900 you see here is the value of the variable, the name of the variable. Now, let's take for example, so we want to print this, but at the same time, we want to say some words. So that can be, we say print, P-R-I-N-T, print, and we put our parenthesis. Now, you can put inverted comma. It can be either a single one or a double one. Say, he, I use he had, so he had, put comma, dollar, he had 500, comma, $500, 500 USD. So I gotta put inverted command there. 500 USD, 500 USD in his account. So I put full stop. So you see it? So he had he had 900 or 900 USD in his account. So I can save this, Control S, and I can also come here and I can say run Python file. So you see, if you look down here, you see he had 900 USD in his account. So, okay, so this is how we can be able to declare a variable using integer. How about string? How can we declare a string variable? So to declare a string, so I will just highlight this and just come here like this, select this, and comment all of these things. All right, so this is commented. Now, let enter. How can we be able to declare a variable by using string? So it's very much easy. So let's take, for example, I declare a variable. Let's say first name. So I come here. So I can use comma kissing. This is what I call comma kissing. So I say first name, the name of the variable, assignment, the value of the variable. So I could say John, J-O-H-N. So John. If I want to print this John, it's very much easy. Now, whenever you are declaring a string variable, you have to use the inverted comma. If you don't use the inverted comma, it will not accept it. But we'll talk more about string, but I just want to help you to see how we can declare a string variable. Now, if we come here like this, then we can just say print, we can just say print, put my parenthesis, and I can just say first name, and before you load, when I save this, when I run it, you're going to see it will print out John. So I can just come here like this and say print Python file. You see, John. Yeah, if you look here, you see John in our terminal. So let's do another example of how to declare a multiple variables. If we have multiple variables, how we can be able to declare these multiple variables. So let's take, for example, you have let's declare a variable. So let's comment this so we're gonna get views. and you can just press this. So the shortcut is Control / and it will comment all of your code. So remember, comment is there to help us to document our code. So let's say, for example, now I want to write comment here. So I could just come here like this, say uh, declaring declaring multiple variables now. So multiple variables, declaring multiple variables. Yeah. So I can comment this up so that just in case someone is working, they see this work, they can be able to know that look, this is a comment, and this comment is saying that I was working with declaring multiple variables. So let's come for example now. We can come here, we see let's say fruit. So we can declare a variable for the fruit, and the fruit here we have so this is a string also. Yeah, so we have orange. So we have orange. So I can come here and we have, let's say, fruit one. And then that's fruit one. And we have string. We have variable. We have the name of the variable, the value of the variable, which will be banana. So we can come here and we can put another more string. We put this one there. Okay. So you notice we have multiple of variable being declared at the same time. This helps us to see that we should make sure that our variable or that we can declare or multiple variable or so many variable at the same time in a Python project. So now I can enter in here like this and just use the word print. Just say print now, so print, print parenthesis, and I can just say fruit. When I say fruit, so I can just come here and say fruit, and you notice again. So I come down and let's use the same word print. Put my parenthesis, and I can just say fruit. I can just say fruit one. Come here like this. Use the same word print, and my parenthesis, and I can just say fruit. I can say fruit two. So if I finish, I can just save this, Control S. Run this, and you notice that all these variables will be printed. So you see, orange, banana, and cherry. So this is how you can be able to declare multiple of variables at the same time in your Python project. So we have learned about how we can be able to declare a variable. So remember, we have the name of the variable, we have the assignment of the variable, and we have the value of the variable. Thank you for watching. This is Boyman Tutorial.